At Dedicated Computing, we're powering the world's most important devices. We are an original design manufacturer of embedded computing platforms for global OEMs. Our platforms are optimized to meet the unique application requirements of our customers' products and serve as the brain that powers these important, often life-saving products. But what makes Dedicated Computing different? Backed with decades of experience, Dedicated Computing powers complex applications in 5 focused markets: healthcare, life sciences, military and government, commercial, industrial automation. Our platforms support various computational workloads, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. We work with many of the world's leading companies in highly regulated markets, which require their products to be in the field for as long as 10 years or more. Global OEMs benefit from our long-term relationships with Tier 1 component manufacturers such as Intel and NVIDIA, and choose Dedicated Computing for the value-added services we provide to improve their business worldwide, such as market expertise, collaborative process, design and engineering, certification management, quality and reliability, lifecycle management. We are a global technology company committed to solving our customers' business problems through the design, manufacturing, and long-term support of innovative technology solutions. To request a meeting with a DC expert, contact now. www.dedicatedcomputing.com. Dedicated Computing, powering the world's most important devices.